Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'll be sharing a case study about how a PE teacher from Talisay City College uses technology in teaching PE and sports. So this is actually the title of my case study. It's all about integrating technology in physical education, a single case analysis of a PE teacher from Talisay City College. So these are the objectives of my study. Identify the types of technology used by a physical education teacher in Talisay City College. Next is to understand how the informant integrates these technologies in teaching PE and sports. The next one is to explore the benefits and challenges encountered in using technology in PE instruction. And the last one is to highlight the best practices that may be adopted by our fellow educators. So now it's time for us to know about the informant. So the informant is a male PE instructor and currently teaching at Talisay City College. And he handles both PATFET 1 and 2 for general students and physical education subjects for those enrolled in Bachelor of Physical Education or the BPED program. With a strong interest in blending traditional PE approaches with modern tools, he advocates for the practical use of technology to deepen students' understanding of health, physical activity, and sports performance. I actually conducted the interview via Facebook Messenger. So to gather the information, I contacted the teacher through Facebook Messenger and asked him a few questions about how he uses technology in teaching PE and sports. And thank God he was kind enough to give detailed answers. Now I'll share it with you guys on what he said. So I just took a screenshot for you to see, no? And I will just summarize it because as you can see, his answer was a bit longer. So this is to summarize his answer. So the teacher utilizes various tools in his teachings, and these includes the following. Number one, online BMI calculator app. An example for that, the calculator.net, which used to assess students' body composition, especially in PATFET classes. And the next one, we have the Coach Eye app. And this one is used by BPED students for movement analysis and coaching practice. And we also have the fitness trackers and pedometers. So this one such as step counters to motivate physical activity. And we also have fitness-based social platforms like Strava. So this one is to encourage peer support and physical engagement. And the last one, we have the wearable technology, of course, like fitness watches is also introduced, although not required, to promote awareness modern fitness monitoring tools. So the last question was, what do you consider as your most successful tech-based teaching strategy or project? So his answer was, we've experienced considerable success with specific tech-based teaching strategies that have truly made an impact. So the BMI calculator has been our most universally successful tech integration across all PATFET 1 and 2 classes. Students find it incredibly convenient and empowering monitoring their progress and personal fitness journey. And all PATFET instructors have seamlessly incorporated it into their curriculum, making it a standard tool for self-assessment. So for our BPED students, the Coach Eyes application have proven to be standout success. And particularly within our PED 13 is our Physiology of Sports and Exercise subject. For their major performance tasks, students brilliantly integrated this application by working with respondents of various ages, including the elderly, person with disabilities, and children. So they expertly use Coach Eye to record and analyze fitness program and skill executions, providing invaluable two-way feedback to their respondents, which significantly enhance the learning and coaching experience. So most successful tech-based strategy. So number one is the BMI calculator. So it became a staple for self-assessment and PATFET classes. And we also have for the BPED students using the Coach's Eye in real-world application. So evaluating movements of children, PWDs, and elderly participants. So offered authentic learning experiences and deeper understanding of sports physiology. So therefore, this case showed that even simple technology, when purposely used, can transform PE instruction. So despite infrastructural and economic barriers, the informant has found ways to incorporate digital tools to support body awareness, performance analysis, and student motivation. So the teacher's strategies from BMI tracking to video analysis and app-based coaching showcase how technology can promote active learning, inclusivity, and lifelong fitness habits among students. So one key takeaway is that technology doesn't always have to be expensive to be effective. So what matters is how it is used and how it supports students' learning and engagement. Thank you so much for listening to my report, everyone. I hope this inspires all of us educators to explore more creative and exclusive ways of using technology in physical education and beyond. Once again, this is Miss Maria Cinderella Barrera, and this has been my single case analysis presentation.